Hey Reinas, welcome back. Today we are going to do it fast and easy. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we about to do some. So we're gonna go in with the Tom Ford primer. I've been loving this. Influencer sent me this to try out and I absolutely adore it. It's my absolute fave primer right now. Next up is Makiage foundation. Love this foundation. It's Chef's Kiss. This is the foundation you've been seeing all over the internet, all over TV. It's, you know, take my quiz, take this quiz, let us know if we can match your foundation shade perfectly. And it matches mine absolutely perfectly. It is a light to medium coverage foundation, but you can build up to a full coverage. I like this on the days where I don't want to be thick and I just want to wear something a little light. This is perfect for that. All you need is this and a little powder and then you're good to go. Now we're going in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I love this. It's the only concealer that I use. I usually get it in a shade lighter than my actual shade. I'm almost out, as you can tell. I need to get more, but yeah, we just blend this out evenly. I look a little crazy afterwards, but it all blends together, it all melds together. So after this, we are going in with the Fenty Beauty banana powder. Banana. Yes, I love this. Fenty Beauty powder is amazing. It's lightweight, it's soft, it's luminous. It just gives you that highlight shade, you know? And not highlight like sparkly shiny, but like just like that glow, that lightness to your face. For the eyebrows, we are going in with the Creme Shop eyebrow pomade. I think this is in chocolate, I think. I need to get more of the Kylie. I am completely out of the Kylie pomade, so I need to get more of that. But we are going in with one eyebrow, and your girl is too busy to do, and it takes too long to do both eyebrows. So we're gonna go in with this one, and then we're gonna do the little tricky trick that I usually do with the eyebrows. I like my brows hella dark too, guys. Okay, FYI, don't hate on my brows. And here goes the eyebrow trick in 3, 2, maybe not. Here it goes in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Next up, we're going in with the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills Collab eyeshadow palette. This one, I love this one. It's one of my faves by ABH and Alyssa Edwards. I do have the matching mirror to go with it. We're going in with the light brown shade just to put that all over the lid and kind of, that's our base color. That color will help all the other colors blend together perfectly. Now we're going in with the Orange Squeeze Shadow Palette by BeBella Cosmetics. This one right here, we're going in with the shimmery shade right there. This one is sold by Beauty and Bling Boutique, which is my boutique currently. We do have some for sale. Very, very pretty summery color, but as you can see, it mixes well with just a neutral brown smoky eye. Super pretty. This is just me blending again, y'all. I can spend like hours just blending. Next up, we are going in with the Amor US 2-in-1 marker. So one side is a thick liner, the other side is a thin liner. We're going in with a thin liner first to get the wing down, just to get the wing outline right there. As you can see, it is harder to do with a thicker line, so we did go in with the thinner one. And then to fill it in, we are going in with the thicker side. And if my audio sounds a little weird, it's because my microphone and my headphones just ran out of battery, so I had to improvise. We'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Island Ting. I do feel like I need a darker bronzer only because I like my shit dark, but that's just me. I feel like it still blends in pretty well with my skin tone. We are going in with the nose. I do a simple nose contour and then just bronze up the cheeks and the forehead, and that's about it. The classic fish look, as you see here. Now we will be going in with, oh, the forehead. We got to make that forehead smaller because your girl got a huge ass forehead, y'all, okay? Now, you know, we got to go in with the papa. We got to conceal the papa, okay? That is the double chin area. I don't know what I was doing here. I was dancing. I was doing something. Don't mind that. Look at me. I was getting it too. Next, we're going in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner, and I think it's like a champagne color. I don't really remember the name. But next up is Kylie Cosmetics Blush, okay? I love this blush. Actually, I love all of Kylie Cosmetics products. Don't hate me for this, okay? And don't at me. Don't come for me. What can I say? I love me some Kardashian Jenners. Next up, it's the OG powder, okay? This is the Urban Decay finishing powder. It is waterproof. It is sweat proof. It is everything proof. I love this powder. You know, you will never see me use a different one. Next up, it's the lips, the lip liner, which I do overline my lips. This one is called Bossy by Colourpop Cosmetics. It is a true red color. Now we're going in with the Amuse Cosmetics double lip product. So one is a lipstick, one is a liquid lip. I use the liquid lip side. This one does not have a name, it has a number, and I don't remember the number, but this one is a true red color, guys. It is gorgeous. I love a good matte red lipstick because with a red lip you can conquer the world. And that's what I'm trying to do. Duh. Up is the Golden Hour Mist Setting Spray by BeBella Cosmetics. I use this one, and I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray because your girl got to be set. Now that's it. We done. I'm out. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Make sure to follow all of my socials for updates, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.